M5 Mac Mini, and it doesn't just change the game, it deletes the old one. For years, the Mac Mini was the budget choice, the starter Mac. But the leaks coming out of the supply chain tell a completely different story for 2026. Apple is shifting to a refined 3nm N3P manufacturing process, and what they've managed to cram into this tiny silver box is frankly terrifying for the competition. Imagine a computer that fits in the palm of your hand but possesses a neural accelerator capable of processing AI tasks 4 times faster than the M4. We aren't just talking about slightly faster apps. We're talking about local LLMs, real-time 8K video upscaling, and professional-grade 3D rendering happening on a device that draws less power than a light bulb. The heart of this beast is the M5 chip, featuring a revolutionary fusion architecture. This is a dual-die system that allows the CPU and GPU to share data with zero latency, effectively killing the bottleneck that has plagued small computers since the beginning of time. Early benchmarks from internal testing suggest a staggering 45% jump in GPU performance. A 45% increase in one generation is the kind of leap we haven't seen since the original transition from Intel to Apple Silicon. But here is the part that is going to make you want to throw your current computer out the window: the base model specs. For the first time in history, Apple is rumored to be killing the 256GB base storage. The 2026 M5 Mac Mini is expected to start at 512GB of ultra-fast storage as the bare minimum. And the RAM? The leaks are pointing toward a base configuration of 16GB or even 32GB, because Apple Intelligence now requires so much overhead that the old 8GB days are officially dead and buried. The M5 Pro version of the Mac Mini is being called the Mac Studio Killer inside Apple Park. It's reportedly getting Thunderbolt 5, meaning 120 gigabits per second data transfer speeds. This allows you to run multiple 8K displays and external RAID arrays at speeds that were previously impossible on anything other than a $4,000 workstation. Despite this massive power jump, the latest leaks suggest Apple is targeting a $699 starting price point. They want to own the AI desktop market, and they know that by keeping this machine affordable, they can put an Apple Intelligence hub in every home. There's also a hidden change in the hardware, the thermal pillar. Because the M5 chip runs hotter when pushed to its peak, Apple has redesigned the internal cooling with a vapor chamber-style pillar that pulls heat away so efficiently that the fan may never even turn on for most users. If you buy a Mac today, you are buying yesterday's technology. The M5 is the bridge to a new era where your local machine handles the AI, not the cloud. This is about privacy, speed, and power density. The release is expected around June 2026, and the production lines are already humming. The question isn't whether you need the M5 Mac Mini. The question is, what are you going to do with all that power? The smallest Mac is now the most dangerous Mac. If you want a machine that will stay relevant for the next decade, you wait for the M5. The leaks are clear, the specs are legendary, and the price is a total disruption. While the company has not officially confirmed anything, multiple reports suggest a refresh powered by new M5 series chips could arrive sometime in the first half of 2026. Expectations were high for an announcement during Apple's early March events, but the Mac Mini was notably absent. Instead, Apple introduced the M5 Pro chip, fueling speculation that the desktop update is still on the way, possibly around the company's annual developer conference in June. According to Macworld, an early to mid-2026 launch seems likely, with a debut around WWDC in June a strong possibility. Stock shortages raise questions. In recent weeks, the availability of higher-end Mac Mini configurations has sharply declined. Several models with 32GB and 64GB of RAM have disappeared entirely from Apple's online store, listed as currently unavailable with no delivery timeline. The Next Web reports that Mac Mini configurations with 32GB and 64GB of RAM are listed as currently unavailable on Apple's US online store, with no estimated delivery date and no path to ordering. This situation has sparked two main theories. Apple could be clearing out inventory ahead of a new release, or maybe struggling with a broader industry-wide shortage of memory. Components. M5 and M5 Pro. What to expect? When the next Mac Mini does arrive, It is widely expected to feature M5 and M5 Pro chips. Macworld reports that these chips will focus heavily on graphics and AI performance. The M5 introduces a redesigned GPU with dedicated AI hardware, while the M5 Pro is expected to use a new fusion architecture combining multiple dies for improved performance. Early benchmarks from M5 powered laptops suggest notable gains. Macworld says GPU performance could be up to 45% faster than the M4, while certain AI tasks may run up to 3.5 times faster. Pricing remains uncertain. Apple's pricing strategy for the new Mac Mini is still unclear. The current model starts at $599, but there are signs that costs could increase. Macworld notes that the starting price could rise by around $100/$100 if Apple follows recent trends seen in its MacBook lineup, where higher base storage came with a price bump. However, factors such as shifting production to the US and competitive pressure from other low-cost Macs could influence the final pricing decision. Refresh or supply crisis. The situation remains ambiguous for now. The sudden disappearance of high-end models, rising prices for memory upgrades, and extended shipping delays all point to mounting supply pressure. At the same time, similar patterns have preceded Apple product launches in the past. A status of currently unavailable normally means that the product is about to be removed from the configurator entirely, according to 9to5Mac. Whether this signals an imminent M5-powered refresh or simply reflects deeper supply chain challenges may become clearer in the coming months, possibly as early as Apple's next major event. Also read, Apple is expanding car key support to the 2026 Lexus ES, adding another vehicle to the iPhone-based digital key feature. The Mac Mini remains one of Apple's most compelling Macs, offering an exceptional balance of performance, affordability, and compact design. Following a major redesign in October 2024, the desktop became smaller, faster, and more versatile than ever, with a dramatically reduced 5x5-inch footprint and the introduction of M4 and M4 Pro chips. If you're considering buying a Mac Mini, you might be wondering whether another update is just around the corner, what new features a 2026 refresh could bring, and whether Apple will maintain its attractive $599 starting price. Those hoping for a new Mac Mini at Apple's early March 2026 special experience events were left disappointed, as the Mac Mini wasn't updated. However, Apple did unveil the M5 Pro chip, which is widely expected to power one of the next-generation Mac Mini configurations. When the new model does arrive, it should benefit from the performance gains of both the M5 and M5 Pro chips, including improved graphics and enhanced on-device AI capabilities. The exact release timing remains unclear, but an early to mid-2026 launch seems likely, with a debut around WWDC in June a strong possibility. That said, current supply constraints, such as extended delivery estimates and out-of-stock configurations, suggest an update could be imminent. New 2026 Mac Mini M5 release date. When will Apple update the M5 Mac Mini? June 2026 release possible. Right now, the Mac Mini is surprisingly difficult to buy, especially higher-end configurations. Models with 32GB or 64GB of RAM are either unavailable or significantly delayed. On its online store, the 32GB configuration is listed as currently unavailable, while the 48GB model has shipping estimates stretching 10 to 12 weeks, mid to late June in the UK. Entry-level 16GB models are easier to find, but still come with delays of several weeks, while 24GB variants are also pushed into June delivery windows. The shortages could be due to global DRAM shortages, with DRAM prices surging due to demand from AI data centers outstripping supply. However, they may also indicate that Apple is going to be updating the Mac Mini soon. Apple launched MacBook Pro and MacBook Air models with M5, M5 Pro, and M5 Max chips in early March 2026. While some expected the Mac Mini to be updated alongside them, Apple often staggers desktop releases behind laptops, and that pattern appears to be continuing. Unlike MacBooks, which dominate Apple's Mac sales, desktop Macs don't follow a consistent annual update cycle. The Mac Mini, in particular, has had an irregular history, sometimes updated yearly, other times left untouched. And for several years, even with Apple Silicon, consistency hasn't improved, The M1 model lasted nearly 3 years before the M2 arrived, and the Mac Mini skipped the M3 generation entirely before jumping to M4 in late 2024. That said, a 2026 update seems increasingly likely. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman reported in late 2025 that M5 and M5 Pro Mac Mini models are on Apple's roadmap, and reiterated in early 2026 that new Mac Minis are planned for this year. All signs point to a launch in the first half of 2026, potentially around WWDC. However, with speculation already building around an M6 chip arriving later in 2026 and global RAM shortages, Apple may delay the update until later in the year. Apple has yet to establish a consistent upgrade cycle with the Mac Mini since the introduction of Apple Silicon M-series chips. Apple released M1 and M2 versions but skipped the M3 and went with the M4. So, Apple isn't afraid to skip a chip cycle with a Mac Mini. However, it looks like Apple isn't going to skip the M5. In November 2025, Mark Gurman reported that Apple has the Mac Mini on the 2026 release schedule with M5 and M5 Pro chips. Then, in December 2025, Mac Rumors reported that references to the M5 and M5 Pro Mac Mini appeared in a set of leaked Apple files. The new Mac Mini is likely to shop M5 and M5 Pro chips. Both are already on the market, so we know what to expect from them. Apple's M5 chip debuted in October 2025. It represents a significant shift in Apple Silicon by prioritizing graphics performance and on-device artificial intelligence. While it maintains the 3-nanometer architecture of its predecessor, it introduces a new GPU design that incorporates dedicated hardware for AI tasks. Apple's M5 Pro chip arrived in March 2026. It introduces a new fusion architecture combining 2 dies into one SoC. It offers an 18-core CPU architecture with 6 supercores and 12 performance cores, and improved multi-threaded performance and AI capabilities. At a glance, expected performance improvements. Key performance highlights of the M5 chip, as seen in the M5 MacBook Pro, include graphics. In the MacBook Pro M5, the GPU delivers up to 45% faster performance than the M4 and is roughly 4x faster in peak compute tasks. AI tasks. Due to the new accelerators, certain AI functions, such as image generation and apps like Draw Things, can be up to 3.5 times faster than on the M4. Storage speed. The M5 architecture supports significantly faster SSD performance, with some tests of the M5 in the MacBook Pro showing read and write speeds nearly doubling compared to the previous generation. CPU output. General processing sees a more iterative increase, with single-core and multi-core scores rising by approximately 14% to 22% over the M4 in our MacBook Pro tests.